Hello folks, this is a vertical side shaft hit and miss engine I bought 3-4 years ago at the Cabin Fever show up in Pennsylvania. It was in the consignment room. I liked it, I bought it, and I've been trying to figure out who made this engine. I need help identifying it. Was this from a casting kit? Did someone use like a Brigg and Stratton engine, use the base and the crankshaft to come up with this? I've been looking for another one. I haven't been able to find one. So maybe someone can help me identify this thing. Who made it? Blah, blah, blah. Let's fire her up. It's a good running engine. You can see how the governor comes up and holds the